Hi, this is how to make a very easy bird. You can make multiple of them very easily and very fast. So make a circle, make a smiley at the bottom, take it up, bring it back, and then make three feathers in the wings. So go make a U-turn, make a U-turn, make a U-turn, make a beak, make eye, and then start coloring. Take brown, go around the circle first, make circular brown, and then erase the neck part of the pencil. And take pink at the very bottom of the feather, give some pink lines. It looks really nice. And then take orange, use orange to do the wings, dark at the bottom and at the top tail feather. Take some pink, make it more dark. Now take brown, do the legs, make it nice and long. If you want to make it sit on a branch, make a branch and leaves on it. Take red, do the beak red, and now take the brown which we started with, do the outline, do it nice and dark. Okay, and then do the outline nicely. Use a sharp pencil. You can do the branches, some leaves. Yeah, do the eye black. Now some branches and some leaves. You can make as many as you want. This is the easiest bird you can draw. Very easy, very fast.